Start by folding each cord evenly in half and attaching it to your ring with a lark's head knot. This is what your project will look like once you have all 7 cords attached to the ring. Now we're going to find the cords directly in the middle. Now using the 4 cords that are directly in the middle, tie 1 square knot. Now, take the 2 working cords we just used to tie the square knot and take them up and out of the way. Now, take our next 2 cords to the left and right of the center and tie another square knot. Those 2 ends and again drape them out of the way. Keep repeating this same process using all the remaining cords. And this is what it will look like once you have tied all those square knots. Now we're going to begin attaching all these loose ends back to the ring with double half hitch knots. So I'm actually just going to start here on the left side. I'm going to take all these cords and kind of pull them out of my way so I can focus on the one at the top. I'm going to take this cord and I'm going to pull it through the ring so it's behind the ring. Then to tie the knot, I'm going to take it over the ring to kind of form a loop, twist it around and pull it through that loop and pull it nice and snug. Then I'm going to take that same cord over the ring, twist it around and pull it through the loop. And that is a double half hitch knot around the ring. I'm going to repeat this with all my cords here on the left side. Once you have the left side done, we can begin tying the same knots with the right cords to attach to the right side of the ring. Once you have all cords attached with double half hitch knots, you probably are going to have a little bit of your ring that shows. So to fix this problem, I'm just going to kind of slide all my cords upwards. And if you do this and any of your cords get loose, just go back and tighten up that double half hitch knot. I'm going to keep the two at the bottom here, and then I'm going to take extra cords and attach them to my ring with reverse lark's head knots. To end the project, we have a couple options. We can either keep our strings kind of long like this to give it a fun, playful look. You can bunch these up together and section them off and kind of tie gathering knots around the different sections for a fun look. Or, as I'm going to show here, I'm going to cut my cords fairly short and then brush it out for some fun fringe. After a little rough brushing, I'm going to take my scissors and give it another little trim. So that is what it looks like, all trimmed up and fluffed out. So now it's time to put the final touches on our project. Since I'm using this as a Christmas ornament, I'm going to take some small hemp twine to make a little hanger. Now I like to use a tapestry needle to kind of help me, but all I'm going to do is go through the top part of my first square knot that's directly in the center. So kind of parallel along the ring, right through the top part of that square knot. Then for a fun design element, I'm going to add a couple of beads to that hemp twine. Just like that. Now I'm going to tie an overhand knot right at the base of the beads to just help them not go anywhere. Lastly, lastly, I'm going to come all the way up to the ends of that hem twine and tie them together with another overhand knot to form a loop so I can hang my project. Just going to trim off the ends that stick up from that knot. And then my simple little macrame Christmas ornament is complete.